Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In the series of Zoho interview question, today we are going to see about a question called remove character. So it is basically an easy question and you can go with this question and try your own approach. Okay. In this video, I will be discussing about 4 approaches. If you can come up with 4 or more approaches, that's fine. If you cannot, then just continue with my video so that you can understand what are all the approaches we can do this question or solve this question. Okay, fine. So there will be given 2 strings. Remove those characters from the first string which are present in the second string. Both the strings are different and contains only lowercase characters. So this is the biggest hint. Okay, and then size of the first string is always greater than the size of the second string. Fine. Now we can see with an example. See here, if it is Pirai Academy and str2 is pday, okay, then what are all the characters will be removed and what will be my result? My result will be something like this, because this p should not be repeated here and this I can be repeated, r can be repeated, and then this a cannot be repeated because a is present here, right? And then this I can be repeated and this a cannot, then c, then a cannot, then d cannot, e, m and y cannot. Can you understand this? That's why we having this output. Fine. Now how we can do this in a brute force approach? Okay, so the brute force approach is quite simple, right? What we will be doing, we will be just traversing here, okay, and then again I will be traversing here and searching, which means basic linear search. I will be searching and finding whether the current character is present or not. If it is present, I will not be taking into my result. If it is not present, like while I am traversing, this I is encountered, this I is not present here, right? So I will be taking that I. Can I understand this? Again, R is not present, so I will be taking this R. Now again, A is not, sorry, A is present, so don't take. I is not present, take I. Again, A present, don't take. C not present, take. A present, don't take. Now D is present, don't take. E is not present, take. So M is not present, take. And then Y, it is present, so don't take. So this is my resultant string and I will be returning this resultant string. So coming with this approach, what is my time complexity? My time complexity will be O of n square and space complexity will be O of 1, because this is resultant string, not the auxiliary string, okay, or auxiliary space. Fine. So can we optimize this time complexity? Yes, we can optimize it. Okay, so basically here I am doing a searching operation. If the searching operation is done in an efficient way, then I can optimize it, right? Can you understand this? Okay, so how we can optimize this searching time? So basically when we are using a hashing, okay, then we can easily do the searching operation in a efficient way. For example, we can use hashing, means we can use either hash map, okay, or hash set. Fine. So by using these approaches, we can do this in an efficient way where time complexity will be almost O of n and space complexity will be almost O of 1. Can you understand this? Fine. Now let me discuss about this. So let us take this string. Fine. Now I will be going with the hash set approach first. Then I can give you a hint of hash map. So initially this is my hash set. Okay. Now I will be traversing here this p. Okay. Before this I will be inserting all these elements into my hash set. Okay, so p, d, a, y will be inserted into my hash set. Fine. Now I will be searching whether this p is present here. Yes. So I don't want to update in my resultant. Again I will be searching for this I. It is not present, so I will be inserting this in the resultant. So it is basically like a brute force approach, but instead we will be taking all the str2 elements inside my hash set first. Okay, so this will be taking a time complexity of O of n log n, but they have given a best clue called they only contain lowercase alphabets. So lowercase alphabets will be standing for 26 characters, and this 26 characters will be of this log n, and this will be negligible in my hash set, because hash set will be all unique, whereas hash map is also all unique. So that's why I'm telling you that it is approximately equal to O of n. Okay, and space complexity will be also O of n, but it only stores 26 characters, so it is also almost equal to O of 1. So this is my time and space complexity analysis. Similarly, if it is by using a hash map, then also we will be taking a hash map like this, and then inside that I will be inserting all this str2 elements. So these str2 elements will be encountered like p1 t and key sd and value is 1, and as key and value is 1, and then ys key and value is 1. So this is basically like I am not taking the count, I am just taking that here this is the key, these keys are present in that str2, that's it. Okay, so by using hash map also we can do with the efficient search approach. Okay, this is for mainly for searching. For searching, if I am using a hashing, it will be more efficient for time complexity. And what is my time complexity? Here also it will be O of n approximately, and space complexity will be also O of 1. But I want to make you sure, I want to give you another approach called frequency table. Okay, let me give you what it means. So just understand. So I will be taking an array of size 26, where all the elements in that array will be filled with 0. Why I am taking the array with a size of 26? Because they have clearly stated that they will be only giving the lowercase alphabets, right? So the lowercase alphabets will be of 26 size. So that's why I am taking an array of 26 size. And in this array, the 0th index represent A, this first index represent B, and the second index represent C, going on like up to this set. Okay, now while I am traversing this str2, the str2 is the one that I want to search, right? So to make this as a efficient way, I will be just traversing here, and it is P, right? What is the ASCII value of this P? It is 112. Okay, now 112 minus 97. Why I am putting this 97? Because 97 is the ASCII value of A. Okay, here it is starting from A. This 0th index is a, right? That's why if I subtract this A from that current element's ASCII value, then I will be getting in which index it is present, right? So which is equal to 15. So I will be changing this 15 index as 1, which means P is present in my str2. Okay, while I am accessing an element in the array, then its time complexity will be what? Constant time. It will be improving my search operation, right? Okay, now again I will be going to this D. Okay, D is 100 minus 97 is equal to 3. So in this 3 I will be making this as 1. Okay, now again I will be going to A. So 97 minus 97 which is equal to what? 0. So here I will be making as 1. Now again Y is 121 minus 97 which is equal to 24. Okay, now I am going here and make this as 1. Now I got the array in which it has a information like which element is present in str2 and which element is not present in the str2. Whichever having this 1 is present in the str2, and whichever not having that 1, which means 0, then they are not present in str2. So by using this, we can efficiently search and insert in my resultant string. So I will be showing you this code, okay, and that hash map, hash set and brute force code will be given as your homework. You will be doing that in your own way, and if you cannot reach the solution, then just go to the description. I will be giving the problem solution where you can find those 3 approaches code. Now tell me, what is the time complexity here? The time complexity will be O of n and space complexity will be O of 1 because it is constant space. We are just taking a size of 25, that's it. Okay, and accessing a value, which means that for searching operation also it will be over 1. But we are just traversing in str1, right? str1 elements, we are just traversing everyone. That's why it will be over n. Hope you understand this. Now let us see the code. See here. First of all, I am taking a frequency array of size 26, and then these all will be filled with 0 initially. Okay. Now I will be taking a string builder result is equal to new string builder of in Java. Mainly while focusing on Zoho, you should be focusing on Java. Okay, fine. Now for I is equal to 0, I is less than str2.length I plus plus, which means I am just iterating over the str2 string. Now in that I will be taking the current character. Okay, current character minus a, which means I am just subtracting the a's ASCII value from the current character, and at that particular index of the frequency, I will be storing this frequency array. Okay, which means I am just telling that hey, it is present. That's it. Okay. Now again I will be just traversing in str1, and I am just checking whether that current element is equal to 0. Then only I want to take the current element into my result string builder. Okay, and then at last I will be returning the string builder dot toString to be returned, because they are asking us to return the string, not string builder. That's why I'm doing a type conversion here. Okay, fine. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. To know about these kinds of algorithms, just go and search in my YouTube channel. If you really like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't skip any videos in this playlist, because all videos will be helpful once you are appearing for the Zoho interviews. Thank you.